come here. You wanna know a secret? Well, listen to me carefully. Do you wanna be a side hustle millionaire? Well, easy peasy. Just make $500 per week and you will be a millionaire in 42 years. I mean, it sounds good, right? Anyway, let's get started with the side hustle ideas. So the first side hustle is to be a street waiter. I mean, maybe not exactly, but basically what you need to do is to make this shopping for different people. The app that I'm talking about is Instacart. Basically, people order things on this app and you can see how much you will get paid if you do that job even before getting the job. And if you decide to take the job, you take it and then go to a supermarket and buy the stuff, the things that that person wanted, and then deliver it to him. With this side hustle, you can make over $50 per hour. The second side hustle is teaching people English, which you're watching this video so you know and understand the language, the English language. But of course there are some requirements to work there, but not every site wants that strict requirements. But this site that I will tell you have strict requirements, but it pays a lot. I mean, it's the highest paying as far as I know. And the site that I'm talking about is Wales English. And here you teach people English and you can get paid around 18 with $27 for a 20-minute session. And here's the banger. You can also get bonuses. So cool, right? I don't know how much you can get, but there's the option. Let's get the third side hustle. The third side hustle is a truly passive income. I mean, all you have to do is to take photos. Yeah, take your phone and instead of watching swimming live streams on Twitch, go open the camera and take some photos. Okay, you can't be a millionaire just with this side hustle. I mean, not in one lifetime. If you have multiple, maybe you can. But still, you can make a couple $100 per month, which is truly passive income, in which you can take a photo and then sell it over and over again. By the way, a tip from me, if you want to sell more photos, you can shoot trend pics. For example, there was, I don't know when you're gonna watch this video, but let's say there's a coronavirus outside and people are wearing masks. So you can use that. And this side hustle is called stock photography, and there are multiple sites for stock photography like Shutterstock, iStock, Getty Images, Adobe Stocks, and more. Now, the fourth side hustle is video editing for a YouTuber. So you might don't know how to edit a video, but that's okay. Video editing, it's not that hard. All you have to do is to find a YouTuber that has a basic amount of subscribers, at least find someone that is big enough that can hire someone to edit his videos. Then watch multiple videos on his topic, on that YouTuber's topic, and understand the logic of editing on that niche, on that topic. Learn what you need to do when editing his videos. You know, that can be different for a vlog channel or for a gaming channel. Then you can mail that YouTuber and send him some examples, or even you can edit his own videos and send them that and show you
can tell that there's a rune in 3.
That you can do better, and if he likes your editing, he might hire you. And the reason that we are editing videos for someone else and not being a YouTuber ourselves is time. Maybe you don't have the time to find video ideas, shoot the videos, and generally grow a YouTube channel. So we are just editing videos. And I can't say how much money you will get paid for this. I mean, there is not a specific amount. You will determine this by talking and agreeing with the YouTuber. Side hustle number 5. Working on Fiverr. In case you don't know what Fiverr is a platform where you can work as a freelancer and sell your services. Video editing included as in the previous side hustle. You can edit videos for different people, but now you need to have a general knowledge of video editing because your client might want a gaming video and the other one might want a vlog video. But you don't need to do only video editing. You can do different things like graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, music, lifestyle, and more. The trendy one is virtual assistant. This thing here looks great, but you know, you can't see it. I'm in the middle. Anyway, basically a virtual assistant is someone that can help you with any kind of task. I mean, video editing for a YouTuber is kinda being a virtual assistant. But being virtual assistant is not just about editing videos. You can reply to emails, you can make arrangements, time arrangements maybe, and more. So now we are on the 6th side hustle, and this is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the best side hustles. I mean, I personally love it. So if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, let me explain it to you. There's a product or a service and you take a link, a URL link, and promote that. And when someone goes to that site with your affiliate link and buys that product or service, you get paid a commission. An example for this is Coinbase. If you refer someone to Coinbase and if that person buys something worth $100, you both get paid $10. So it's a win-win situation. And there are endless sites where you can promote. You can be in the finance niche, on travel, pets, food, fitness maybe. You can always find affiliate links and make money with that. I mean, this is passive income. If you have a YouTube channel, for example, you can put the affiliate link of something in your description and make money even after days, weeks, or even months. Sounds good to me. The 7th side hustle is cryptocurrencies and stocks. In case you live under a rock and you don't know what they are, let me explain to you. You buy a cryptocurrency or a stock and by time that can go up, but never forget that they can also go down. So there is a risk. But if you look at the history, you will see that in the long run, you usually win. By the way, in the previous side hustle, we talked about affiliate marketing, and for a cryptocurrency side, you can promote the Coinbase, and for stocks, you can promote Robinhood and make some money. I'm just giving advice. There is also something called dividend stocks. Those are stocks that give you a percentage of money just for keeping the stocks. For example, TD Bank stocks pay around 4% dividend. So if you invest $100,000 in TD Bank, you will get $4,000 every single year by doing nothing. I mean nothing. The 8th side hustle is selling products on Etsy, and the reason that we are selling on Etsy is because we are gonna do dropshipping. Products on AliExpress are always cheaper, and when I say cheaper, I mean cheaper. So you can find a product on AliExpress and sell it on Etsy for a higher price and keep the profit in between. By the way, make sure to leave a message for the seller and let them know that you are doing dropshipping so they don't put an invoice or something else in the box. But the shipping time on AliExpress is not that good because it's sending from China, and in the beginning it would be better if we could ship the products faster to get a better feedback. So what you can do, you can order the products even before starting selling them, and after that when you get an order, you can ship the product yourself. I know that this is not dropshipping and there's more risk with that method, but I'm just giving an advice. What you're gonna do is up to you. You can also promote your store on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or even maybe Pinterest, but still you can do it as dropshipping. Now, the final side hustle is going to a Dollar Tree and finding books. You can go to those stores and find cheap books and then sell them on eBay for a higher price if they are already selling for a higher price. Then buy all those books and sell them on eBay for a higher price and keep the profit. So thank you very much if you watched the whole video. If you enjoyed and found the video useful, you can drop a like, and if you want, you can subscribe to my channel to see more videos about finance and making money online. Here's a video that I tried affiliate marketing for 48 hours. If you want, you can watch that video after this one. So see you over there. Bye bye.